I'm going to show you how I made some poison toad figures. I found a Slurk model by Clay Raid on Thingiverse, it's number 4417796, and printed out 2 of them. I primed them using flat black spray paint. I considered a cane toad color scheme, but since I wanted a poison toad, I'm using these photos of an orange and green oriental fire belly toad as my reference. I mixed up an orange and red to put on both bellies, and then I used a dark green for the legs and rear of both figures. I used 2 different colors on the backs. On one toad I did a neon yellow green, and the other one I just did a light green. I dry brushed black onto the knobbies on the back of both figures, and washed some black onto the bellies. I also coated the fangs with creamy white color. The only detailing I did was on the eyes. This toad got yellow spots with black lines, and the other got black spots with small white dots for pupils. Then I used a very generous amount of gloss clear coat to finish them with a wet appearance.